Have you ever wished for something that felt impossible? Have you ever dreamed of doing something beyond your reach? This is the story of little Sarah. Little Sarah loved watching the birds soar through the sky. She would often sit on her windowsill, looking at them with envy. "I wish I could fly like them," she would sigh. One day, Sarah was walking through the park when she came across a strange old man sitting on a bench. He had a long white beard and wore a flowing robe. He looked up at Sarah and smiled. "What's the matter, young lady?" he asked. Sarah told the old man about her wish to fly. He chuckled and said, "I can help you with that." He reached into his pocket and pulled out a small golden key. He handed it to Sarah and said, "This key will unlock a door that leads to a world where you're able to fly." Sarah was amazed. She thanked the old man and ran home as fast as she could. That night, Sarah took the key and went to the attic. She found an old dusty door in the corner and inserted the key. The door creaked open, revealing a bright, shining light. Sarah took a deep breath and stepped through the door. She found herself standing in a beautiful meadow, surrounded by flowers and trees. And in the distance, she could see a flock of birds flying overhead. Sarah smiled. She spread her arms and jumped into the air. And to her surprise, she began to fly. She soared through the air, laughing and twirling. She flew over the meadow and over the mountains. She felt free and happy as she had never felt before. As the sun began to set, Sarah knew it was time to go home. She flew back to the attic and stepped through the door. The door closed behind her, and she found herself back in her room. Sarah put the key in her drawer and climbed into bed. She closed her eyes and dreamed of flying. From that day, Sarah would often visit the magical meadow and fly with the birds. She was grateful to the old man for giving her the gift of flight, and she never forgot the importance of following her dreams. And what about you? Do you have a dream that feels out of reach? Maybe, just maybe, there's a door waiting for you to open it. So, are you ready to take the first step? If this story inspired you, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment below. What's a dream you've always wanted to chase? Let's talk about it. See you in the next video.